Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to crochet this 3D rose. It is very easy, so let's get started. First, we need 66 chains. So let's do 66 chains. So these 66 chains will be called as a foundation chain. Now in the sixth chain, do 1 DC, that is the double crochet, okay, then leave 2 chains, that is skip 2 chains, and in the third chain make 1 double crochet, then do 2 chains, and in the same chain make a DC. Again skip 2 chains, in the third chain make 1 DC, then 2 chains and 1 DC in the same chain. Three, in chain 2, same chain, okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, you have to do it for all. Okay, after finishing all, okay, now chain 2, 1, 2, okay, turn, okay, in this first hole 1 more DC, 1, 2, okay, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then again 2 DC in the same hole, 1, 2, this is the thing, okay, now skip this, okay, then go here, 1, 2, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, again same hole, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'll show you again. Yarn over in this hole to 1 DC, 1, 2, 2 DCs, okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, again 2 DC, 1, Total 4 DC in the hole. 3 chains, 4 DC. 3 chains, 4 DC. Okay, do it for all around till here. Till the last chain you'll have to do the same pattern. Now 3, chain 1, chain 1, turn 7 DC, this hole, 3 chains hole. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 DC in 3 chains hole. Then in the next small hole, single crochet. Okay, then again 3 chains, 7 DC. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, single crochet here. Okay, so 7 DC single crochet, 7 DC single crochet, now 7 DC and continue till the last row. Completing after 76 in the last. Okay, over here 2 DC are there, half double crochet, single crochet, 1 chain, and then cut long enough. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the front side. Okay, and this is the back side. So from behind you have to fold. Okay, fold it from behind. This is the beautiful rose, and then this is the behind part. You have to see from the other side. Okay, the behind part after sewing.